Now, obviously, with that type of complaint, you're going to want to test drive the car, as I mentioned, and pay attention to how it runs. If, in fact, the vehicle is running poorly, it hesitates, it stumbles, maybe it has a rough idle, maybe it stalls, maybe it has a lack of power. In those situations, then obviously there's a misfire occurring, and you're going to want to follow standard routine procedures for identifying what's causing the cylinder misfire to occur on that vehicle. Whether it's an ignition problem, a fuel system problem, perhaps even a mechanical problem with one of the cylinders affecting the compression in the engine, an air leak, vacuum leak. Again, the standard, typical, routine causes for a cylinder misfire. You want to try to identify what's causing that.